Hello, this is G from Today we are going to do unboxing number 4. Number 4. That's very So, this is our 4th box. Seems like a layer, so there will be one here and another here.
So 2 boxes inside. Technically, this is not our 4th box. This is our 4th time doing unboxing video. We didn't do it at first, but that's okay.
So, ready?
I'm ready. Lay it on me.
Okay, first there is metal contest.
Metal contest. Sweet.
Let's put it there. And next, we've got something that costs worth hundreds of dollars, which is this crystals.
Wow, that's very expensive crystals.
And
Whee!
shall we open it and see what it looks like?
You betcha. So you're doing crystals first, eh? That's very exciting.
Because crystals is interesting, very, very rare.
You mean crystals are interesting?
They are very, very rare, and they cost more than $1 million.
More than $1 million.
Okay, we've got red crystals, rainbow crystals, and copper sulfates. Let's see. I will see what my gloves look like under here.
Why are you hiding the gloves?
Okay, they're this regular color.
Okay, it's sort of bluish purple.
There's periwinkle.
Periwinkle?
There's this long spoon bubbly thing.
Pretty interesting.
There is a syringe.
Syringe, right?
A pipey.
Pipette. 2 pipettes. Ooh.
Plastic.
Teeny tiny petri dishes.
2 of them. There are 2 of the copper 2 sulfates.
That stuff I believe is dangerous.
There is potassium hexacyanoferrate.
Excellent reading. Good.
It says K3FeCN6.
Right.
There's also sodium thiosulfate pentahydrate.
Wow. That means 5 hydrogens. And we got stickers. I love stickers.
Okay, let's see what.
Wait. What's this?
What? What's that?
I got a funky thing. Maybe it's glasses.
I forgot some things.
Oh, we got some string sticks.
Yeah.
Cool.
It looks like from now on there are the little of the paper clips.
No more tiny paper clips in a bag? I feel jilted.
Copper 2 sulfate has harmful if swallowed, causes serious irritation, very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects, and causes serious eye irritation. Potassium potassium hexacyanoferrate 3, no danger.
Really, no danger?
So sodium thiosulfate, no danger.
Seems like a lot of syllables for no danger.
Who will make the most metal? Who will make the strongest metal?
I don't know, it's a contest.
Who will make the medalist metal?
The medalist medal?
The person who makes the best metal gets a medal.
Okay. What do we have inside?
We have metal contest, magnetizing
magnesium.
and there's foil etching. I'll do one more hiding glove experiment.
Okay.
These are also purple.
A little bit purple, yeah.
This time there is the little.
Ah, that means we have a liquid in here. Over here we don't have any liquids, just powders.
Okay, we have magnesium, Mg.
Yep.
Mg.
Yep.
There's also iron 2 sulfate, but interesting, it's brown, but it looks like green inside.
Mm-hmm.
There's this tube consist thingy.
There's a what? This is a foam base.
Oh, a foam base.
Foam base.
There are 2 of the big and small size spoons. There is the red cap. There is the syringe. There is one more syringe stick.
Stirring stick,
Stirring
right?
stick. There's an absorbent.
We love the absorbents.
And there's the powder thingy that inserts and puts into liquid.
Right, right.
There is tin 2 chloride dehydrate.
Dihydrate, right?
Dihydrate. So there put sodium hydrogen sulfate, NaHSO4. Now let's get the oh, we forgot these ones. There's sodium chloride table salt.
Just salt? Okay.
Looks like
Well,
zinc.
we can eat some of it.
There's zinc wires. There are not chemicals or no chemicals. There's just looks like metal and clothing.
Oh, metal is also chemicals. And we have a couple of tubes.
There's also this last copper 2 sulfate, the most common thing. Copper 2 sulfate.
Yeah, we get that blue a lot. That's pretty cool. It's
We get the
it reacts a lot.
We get the most dangerous chemical a lot.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, what is that? This is the magnesium. Looks like glitter.
Now it's time for the mega and only one has it. Oh my gosh! Looks like there is an even more dangerous thing than copper 2 sulfate.
Show me.
There's sodium hydrogen sulfate. Hazards, causes serious eye damage. Copper 2 sulfate, harmful to swallow, causes skin irritation. Very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. Causes serious eye irritation. There's tin 2 chloride. Hazards may cause an allergic skin reaction. Harmful if inhaled. May cause respiratory irritation. Causes severe skin burns and eye damage. Very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. Suspected of damaging fertility or the unborn child. May cause damage to organs through prolonged or repeated exposure, and suspected of causing genetic defect. Like that.
Whoa, that is super dangerous.
There are this many things in tin 2 chloride. There's iron 2 sulfate. Hazardous, harmful to swallow, causes serious skin irritation, causes serious eye irritation.
Yeah.
There is zinc wire. Hazardous, very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects.
Right.
Magnesium, Mg, hazards, flammable solid.
That means it can catch on fire.
I know.
That's cool, right?
Self-heating in large quantities may catch fire. In contact with water, release flammable gas. There are each of these signs different, but this is fire. And last, sodium chloride, no danger.
That's salt. We eat it all the time. Daddy eats too much of it. All right. What do you want to say?
So, I hope you like this video. So, I hope you like this video. This was the unboxing number 4, I think. There were interesting things, and we found, there's tin 2 chloride with a lot of hazards.
Right.
So this was a very interesting treasure finding thingy.
Right.
So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
And stay tuned for more experiments.
What's this there?